channel. If you're new to this, my name is Cheryl and I'm starting out my YouTube channel to recreate all inspired makeup tutorial and hair tutorials and fashion styling tips as well. So today I want to do a 90s inspired hairstyle, because if you've been watching my YouTube channel, you know that I've been obsessing over all 90s inspirations, the 90s fashions, the 90s hairstyle, and the 90s makeup, which is also I am wearing a 90s makeup, which I'm really obsessed. So if you want to know how I do this makeup, let me know in the comment section down below. I will film how I do this 90s makeup. But today's we're all about the 90s hairstyle. But before we get on to that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up to my video, and don't forget to click the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I post on my YouTube channel. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright, the first look is this 90s claw clip hairstyle. I like to smooth out my hair by brushing it over. Then I took out a section of my hair at the front to frame my face later, and put the rest up into a medium-high ponytail. I'm in the mood. Then we're gonna twist the ponytail and I'm in the mood. Fold it upward. And now we're gonna secure it with a claw clip. I'm in the mood. I started bobby pinning a few pieces of my hair to make it fully secure, as I have a relatively thick hairs. And then giving a few hairspray to separate those top pieces to give a little bit more texture and more of the 90s look. For the front piece of hairs, I use my hair curler to curl them inwards. Then I smooth out the very front section over my forehead, slightly giving it a bit of a bend, and bring the rest of the hair upward to the top. And I'm using my hair styling stick to smooth out the front piece for the final touch. This is one of my favorite 90s hairstyle. I love trying out different ways to create this 90s hairstyle to give it a different finished look. Next up, we have a Young Britney Baby Spice vibe with these two tiny pigtails, and I wanted to do a throwback with a subtle zigzag part. Simply use your comb to create a diagonal line and then switch directions in the opposite way. Then section off two tiny pieces to frame the face. And comb back the first section of hair about to where the first zigzag ends, and use an elastic band to secure the tiny pigtail. You can secure these pigtails further back if you want. I like to have mine a little bit more forward. I also used a styling stick to smooth out the frizziness of my hair before tying up the tiny pigtail. I'm in the mood for Then I use my curling iron to curl the front pieces to frame my face, as well as adding some curls to the pigtail so that it stands out a bit more in the hair. I'm in the mood for And here's the final look of this 90s inspired Young Britney vibe hairstyles. It is so cute and adorable. I hope you all enjoyed this 90s hairstyle that are so trending right now, and let me know in the comment section below which is your favorite 90s hairstyle. If you're looking for more 90s hairstyle or 90s makeup or 90s outfit for some inspiration, you can check out my 90s transformation tutorial, my 90s inspired supermodel makeup look, and my other 90s hairstyle tutorials. I hope you will keep on watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.